How to sign up for Booking.com. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I will show you how you can easily create a Booking.com account step by step. It's super easy and takes just a few minutes. First of all, launch open any web browser on your laptops or your desktop or even on your mobile device. Once you're inside the URL box, go ahead and type in Booking.com and search. You'll end up in the official website for Booking.com, which looks like this. From the home page, go to the register button at the top right corner and click on it. This will begin the sign up process. Here on the next page, you need to enter a valid email address of yours, or you can also use one of these options at the bottom, that is Google account, Apple account, or your Facebook account. If you don't want to enter the email over here, you can go ahead and pick one of these options at the bottom to quickly sign up. I'm just going to enter an email address in the text box at the top. If you are doing the same, let's go ahead and do it. Now type in a valid email address you have an access to and click on Continue with Email. On the next page, you'll need to verify your email. Go check your email inbox. I'm just going to open up a new tab over here and open up my email inbox. Now, you will see a verification code inside it. Go ahead and copy that. Get back to the Booking.com website and enter the code or paste it down and click Verify Email. Now, you'll be able to create a new account on Booking.com. Now you can complete your profile, which is an optional right now. Go to Personal Details under Manage Account and enter your personal details on the page. You can also set up your security settings in order to protect your account. And now, after you are done with those, you'll be able to get ready to use your Booking.com account. After you are done, you can go ahead and search for hotels, flights, and deals. Book stays anywhere in the world after you are done with creating your account. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned for more Booking.com tutorials.